Hey,
guys.
you're on.
Oh, bite me, crazy man.
Oh.
Anyway, hi. I'm Patty, and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Behind the camera is my husband, Tony. He's crazy. Say hi, crazy.
Hi, crazy.
Anyway,
Crazy.
today we're going to be making cheddar ranch chicken burgers. So, in here I have 1 pound of ground chicken. To this, I am going to add an egg, 1/4 cup of panko or breadcrumbs if that's all you have, a 1/2 ounce of dry ranch seasoning, 1/4 cup of finely diced onions, I'll use that, so roughly 1/4 cup of finely shredded cheddar, and probably using a little bit more, but that's alright. And some granulated garlic. Oops, forgot something. Got to don the gloves. I don't. Okay, we may have a problem. Get me. Alright. It was a success on that hand. Let's check this one out. Oh God, I can't even get the end. Where the heck? It's like trying to open a bag in the grocery store to put your produce in without licking your fingers. Lord have mercy. Okay, let's mix these up. Now, let me tell you about mixing this. You don't want to be too... Don't do too much. Don't mix it too much. But over here I do have my griddle on 375.
Ooh.
Okay, I need to do something. I forgot something. Okay, I'm going to make these out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make them out into 4 burgers. And I don't have any buns, so we're eating these without buns, but that's okay. Less carbs. You know, if I can make these without tearing them apart when I'm flipping them or whatever, we will be doing good. The recipe I'm using actually called for 2 pounds. So I just cut it in half. The only problem is you can't cut an egg in half. I mean, I guess I could have beat it and put half of it in, but you know what? That's too much. I'm all about conserving energy. Mine. Yep. Alright, this is the chicken. Wait, let me add a little bit of olive oil to this. Since this is chicken, you're gonna want to let it cook 6 to 8 minutes because doneness is very important. Let me see these. Also, I'm gonna make a little divot in the middle. I forgot the reason why, but there you go. Okay, these divots suck. Okay, I don't think I'm really making a divot, so here we go. Oh God, I'm just so scared these are gonna fall apart. if that's the case, I got bread and we're going to eat them on bread. Oh, God. And have sloppy joes, like ranch cheddar sloppy joes. Without sauce. Loose meat sandwich, there you go. But those have sauce. Yeah, I'm not feeling real good about this. It's going to tear up, but I'm just going to let them sit.
And mush it together.
I'm trying. You don't understand how loose this is. It's so loose, it's like a... Never mind.
We won't watch that. We'll just watch these cook.
Don't bite me. Okay. Well, we're getting ready to get off here. Like I said, oh, goodness gracious. These need to cook 6 to 8 minutes each side. So I will bring you that when I'm turning it over. See you later.
That's like an hour and 8 minutes.
Alright guys, these are perfect. They did not break. They didn't break apart. They are perfect. And they cooked about 15, 20 minutes, 15, 16 minutes total. Alright, like I said, I don't have any buns, so we're having these like this, which I think is going to be perfect. And we're also having my roasted cauliflower, which is my husband's favorite vegetable ever. And we're also having a little bit of corn. This is actually a very healthy meal. I'm actually impressed. Things that Patty does not cook often. Healthy meals. Whoops. God knows. Alright guys, this was a fun video. I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. Don't forget to share it on your social media and leave me a comment and a big thumbs up. Alright guys, supper's ready. Bye.